So good day everyone, Janasami Albahian, and then for today's video I'm gonna make the last activity in our data mining subject. So first we have to open JASP. JASP. So we have to wait first because it's very loading. So here after opening the JASP, we click the burger menu here. So open and we go to data library. So there are so many choices here, but we choose regression. And then after this, there's so many what do you call this, data here. So I'm gonna choose the exam anxiety. So in our activity, we have to choose one variable, one dependent variables and one covariate. So I'm gonna choose in the dependent variable is anxiety, and then the covariate is exam. So as you can see here, the R2 of our anxiety is 0.194. So as I understand here is that the dependent variables in the so the analysis we use is linear regression to investigate the relationship between the anxiety and the exam. So the results suggest that there is a significant big negative correlational between exam scores and anxiety levels. So meaning that when a higher anxiety levels are associated with the lower exam scores. So as you can see here, the p-values here is 0.0.0 0.001. So it means that the p-value, if the p-value is less than 0.05, it means there are a significant difference. So meaning here is the anxiety and the exam have a significant difference. So second is we have to choose one dependent variable and two covariates. So I have a dependent variable here. I'm gonna put isa na lang ka covariate. So I'm gonna choose revise. So as you can see, there are changes in RR2. So earlier 193 I think, and today is 0.53. So like I said earlier, the we use linear regression to examine the relationship between the dependent variables and the covariates, which is the dependent variables is anxiety and the covariates exam and revise. So as I understand here, the analysis reveals that statistically significant negative correlational between the exam scores and anxiety level and revise. So this indicates that a higher anxiety levels are associated with lower exam scores. So so it means that, so I understand here, so it means that the anxiety, exam, and revise there are no significant difference. So lastly is we have to choose that so sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Nalobat akong laptop. So I'm gonna go to continue our discussion. So like I said earlier, we have to choose again dependent variable, and 3 covariates. So as I understand here that that this code and the dependent variable and the covariate exam revised anxiety, it shows that there are a significant difference between the dependent variable and the covariates. It because that the R squared value, the model is excluding the exam scores and revision that has a significantly higher R squared value compared to the model without them. So this R indicates that the dependent variable and the the dependent variable and the covariates have a significant difference. So that is my understanding about this, and I hope you understand also. And that would be all. Thank you.